2008 Ram 1500 TRX for off-road, 5.7 liter Hemi, throttle response controller, cold air intake kit, Flowmaster exhaust on 35-inch amp, attack mud terrains. Those are like probably my favorite tires that I've had so far. I had the RBP repulsors or Janelle Comforser 35-inch mud tires before. They were really terrible tires. No traction on wet roads whatsoever. And the tire compound on those RBP Janelle Comforser tires. It's really soft tire compound, so you're spinning the tires everywhere you go, and 20,000 kilometers later you need a new set of tires, which is pretty bad. But these Amp Attack MTs, holy shit, man, and the siping on there works really good. These things are fantastic in the rain, let's put it that way. Story of my life. Wash, wax, polish, damn truck. But it looks fucking good, so who cares how many times you gotta polish damn thing. Got all damn pollen off of there today. Cleaned up my wheel wells, detailed my tires and wheels. Oh yeah, just want to say, watched a bunch of YouTube tutorials how to paint my truck, so I just painted it at home in my garage. I don't have a garage now. I'm in an apartment building, so whatever. But after I learned how to paint it myself, I had to learn how to get rid of the orange peel myself. So that shit happens. But I just want to say, the damn tailgate looks like a piano finish. This is so freaking shiny and smooth. No orange peel. It's insane how fucking nice that looks. Alright, back here. Alright.